Good morning, children. Let's start UKG class. Subject Hindi. Hindi oral and writing also, children. And oral you can see in your PDF page, children. And you also say along with me. First, I'll tell. Okay, children. You was already learned in previous class that letters, words also. Now once again I remember that and next continue that next letter also. Okay, children. Hindi Varnamala. Okay, children, what? Hindi Varnamala. You also say along with me, children. Okay. First, we'll start Hindi oral. Afterwards, I'll tell how to write Hindi Varnamala in 2 lines book. Okay, children. First one is A Ajgar. What, children? You also say along with me. A Ajgar. Snake. A anar, pomegranate. A adarak, ginger. A acarot. Okay, children, once again I remember. Sorry, I repeat for you. You also say along with me. A ajgar. Snake. A anar, pomegranate. A adarak, ginger. A acarot. Next. After after what, children? Ari, garagas. Aloo, potato. Aag, fire. Mango. Okay, children, once again I repeat for you. You also say along with me. Ari, garagas. Aloo, potato. Aag, fire. Mango. Okay, children. After what next? After E. Imali, tamarind. Istari, iron box. Engine. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Imali, tamarind. Istari, iron box. Engine. Okay, children, you listen. Next. E after what, children? E after E. Eat. Eek. Sugar cane. Ish. Eid. Once again I repeat for you, children. You also say along with me. Int. Building blocks. Eek. Sugar cane. Ish. Lord. Eid. Next. E after what, children? Upahar. Gift. Ungali. Finger. Ullu. All. Ustara. Okay, children. Once again I repeat for you. You also say along with me. Upahar. Gift. Ungali. Ullu. All. Ustara. Next. After what, children? After after Oont means camel. Oud below. Woolen. Upar means up, mele. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Oont, camel. Oud below. Oon and upar. Okay, children. After what, children? After ru. After ru. Rutu, season. Rushi, sage. Rushab. Runa. Once again I repeat for you, children. You also say along with me. Rutu, season. Rushi, sage. Rushab. Next, Runa. Okay, children. Next, row after what, children? Row after A. A, ek, 1. A, X-ray. A, AD. A, ekatara. Once again I repeat for you, children. You also say along with me. A, ek. And A, X-ray. A, AD. A, ekatara. Okay, children. Yeah, after last class we will stop here. We will continue next. Today we will continue, children. A, ekatara after what, children? A after I. I, Airawat. Elephant. I, Ainak. Spectacles. I, ambulance. Once again I repeat for you, children. You also say along with me. A, I, Airawat. Ainak and ambulance. Next, A after what, children? I after O. O, oat, lips. O, odani means dupatta. O, okali, motor. O, os. Once again I repeat for you, children. You also say along with me. O, oat means lips. O, odani means dupatta. O, okali, mortar. O, os means drops. Okay, children. We will continue in next letters in next class, next Hindi class. Okay, children. Now we will stop here, and next I will tell you how to write in 2 lines book I and O. Okay, children. We will show here, and you also see and write, and must you say and write. Okay, children. You take your Hindi classwork or homework. You take one fresh page, children. You also take one fresh page Hindi classwork. First you put in date, month and year. First write 2/8/28 and write one slanting line. Write 1/1/11. Again you should write one slanting line and 20/20/20. 28/11/2020. Date, month and year. First you put the date, children. Next, let's come to the first line. You write I. How to write I in 2 lines book or your Hindi classwork? You should follow the line and don't write outside, children. You should write neatly and follow the line also. Write I, Airawat. You should say and write, children. Okay, I, that full of line, you complete that page. I. You also complete that page. You just to see in your PDF page and see and write also, children. I will send the PDF page and you can see and write and you say and write also. Okay, children. You complete that page. Next, turn the next page or beside page. If you have page, no, there only you should write only. Otherwise, you turn the page and write next. O. I after what, children? O. Okali. Or O's. Okay, children, you should write O in 2 lines. Follow the line. Okay, children, you should write neatly and follow the line also. O. 4 times, 4 lines. Okay, children, you complete that page. O. And you should write 2 pages also today only. I and O. You complete 2 pages today. Okay, children, you see and write in your PDF page and you should say and write. You learn oral also. You should learn, children. Okay, you complete that 2 pages also. First you compulsory put on the date and you learn should oral also. Okay, children, we will continue in the next Hindi class. Then next letters and words also. Next class let's learn. Okay, children. Thank you, children.